Hi guys! I am going to make pizza today. It is the Farmer's Market pizza. It is a Pampered Chef recipe and I'm just going to show you my ingredients for now. So here are the cut out veggies, and I have here the olive oil and the mushrooms that's already been wiped with a wet paper towel, or if you have any cloth that is clean you can use that as well. Just don't wash it with like really running water or soak it in water because it will be soggy. And here are the cheese that I've grated. So this is the cheddar cheese, the parm, and the mozzarella cheese. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put 1/2 of this olive oil in this pizza stone. Well, I think it's over 1/2, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna brush it in the whole stone. Just like that. I use this to make pizza dessert. I think I've mentioned it earlier. I'm going to try it. Not try it, but I've made it before, so I'm going to do it, take a video about it. And I'm just going to use the pizza crust that I got from the store and spread it in this stone. I hope you can see it. There. So to open this, wait a minute. Hold on 1 second. I just need the gloves. I'm gonna open it. Pop it and then spread. I love this dough, by the way, because it's a little sweet. You can also make your own dough. I have a recipe for that as well. Oh my god, get stuck. Get stuck in my, oh my god. Wow, so cute. Spread it like that. I'm going to use the roller to roll the pizza dough. use the smaller one to go on the very side. I love the farmer's market pizza recipe because it has zucchini in it, and also, I don't know, but I love cheese, and I love tomatoes and mushrooms, especially in my pizza. If ever I don't feel like making my own, and I would order, it's mushroom and pineapple in my pizza. That's what I always get. So, or green bell pepper, that I could also have in my pizza. So there it is. Then I'm going to add more. I'm going to brush it with olive oil again and put it in the oven for at least 7 minutes. I wish you guys are here, or I'm there so I can share it with you, but maybe one day. So there it is. Should be fine. Okay. Almost, almost. Oops. You can make it perfect, but doesn't have to. Oh, by the way, I've made farmer's market pizza before, but because I did not have zucchini and mushrooms and tomato, I just put okra. I did put okra and bulaklak ng kalabasa, and it tastes really good. So why not, right? That's why you can make your own pizza with the vegetables or toppings that you want. Here's my farmer's market pizza, everybody, and wow, 15 minutes in the oven, and look at that. Cheese are still melting. Just gonna let it dry. Oh my god, look at that tomato. And there's one thing that I forgot to put in my ingredients, the onions. I forgot, but that is okay. So to make your crust, the side of the crust, a little crunchy, just brush it with a little of olive oil. It did not really took that long to make this pizza.